Imagine the city of love, Paris, its streets lined with cafes, the smell of fresh croissants in the air, and the Eiffel Tower standing tall in all its glory. Our UAE family began their journey in this mesmerizing city, their eyes filled with wonder and hearts brimming with excitement. Their first stop, the Eiffel Tower, as they ascended to the top, they shared awe-inspiring views, creating memories that would last a lifetime. Next, they ventured to the Louvre Museum, where they admired masterpieces from different eras, their appreciation for art deepening with each painting. The cultural differences they encountered were not barriers, but bridges, connecting them to the heart of Paris. Their day concluded with a charming boat ride on the Seine, the city's lights reflecting on the water, creating a magical spectacle that brought them closer together. As they bid adieu to the city of love, the family carries with them memories of art, culture, and togetherness. Next, the family finds themselves in Italy, a country known for its rich history, delicious cuisine, and awe-inspiring architecture. The echoes of the past resonate as they explore the Colosseum in Rome, a testament to the grandeur of the ancient Roman Empire. Each stone tells a story, and the family marvels at the tales of gladiators and emperors that unfolded here centuries ago. From Rome, they journey north to the city of canals, Venice. Here, they glide through the waterways on a gondola, a quintessential Venetian experience, feeling the rhythm of the city pulsate around them. Their Italian adventure culminates in the rolling hills of Tuscany, where they don aprons and delve into a hands-on cooking class. They knead, stir, and savor, creating traditional dishes that tantalize their taste buds with the authentic flavors of Italy. Leaving Italy behind, the family takes with them a piece of its history, its flavors, and a newfound appreciation for its beauty. Spain, a country full of life and color, is the family's next destination. In the heart of Catalonia, Barcelona, they marvel at the architectural wonder of Sagrada Familia, a symphony of stone that seems to dance skyward. The vibrant colors of its stained glass windows and intricate details of its facade are a testament to Spain's rich artistic heritage. Next, they journey to the soulful city of Seville, where the rhythm of flamenco pulses through the cobbled streets. Here, they surrender themselves to the passionate swirl of this traditional dance, the powerful guitar strums filling the air, and the rhythmic clapping resonating deep within them. Their Spanish adventure culminates on the sun-drenched shores of Costa del Sol. The family relishes a day of relaxation, the children building sandcastles while the adults soak up the sun, all against the backdrop of azure Mediterranean waters. With a heart full of flamenco beats and a taste of paella still lingering, the family says goodbye to Spain. The final stop on their European tour is Switzerland, a land of breathtaking landscapes and thrilling adventures. As the family embarks on an enchanting train ride, they are greeted by the majestic Swiss Alps, blanketed in pristine snow and bathed in the golden glow of the sun. The panoramic vistas of the mountain ranges unfold before their eyes, leaving them in awe of nature's grandeur. Next, they find themselves in a local chocolate factory where the air is thick with the sweet aroma of Swiss chocolate. The family indulges in a delightful chocolate tasting session, savoring the rich, creamy texture that melts in their mouths, a sensory delight that sweetens their Swiss experience. Then the adrenaline kicks in. They strap on their skis, and with hearts pounding, they glide down the snow-covered slopes, the wind whipping against their faces. The thrill of skiing in the Swiss Alps, unmatched and unforgettable. As their journey in Europe comes to an end, the family leaves Switzerland with a sense of adventure and a deeper love for nature. With a suitcase full of memories, the family boards the flight back home. Their hearts are filled with joy, and their minds are brimming with stories, each one more enchanting than the last. The majesty of Paris, the charm of Italy, the vibrancy of Spain, and the adventure in Switzerland have all left indelible marks on their souls. They've tasted exquisite cuisines, explored historic landmarks, and navigated through bustling city streets. They've shared laughter in the shadow of the Eiffel Tower, made wishes in Rome's Trevi Fountain, danced in the lively squares of Barcelona, and marveled at the Swiss Alps' breathtaking beauty. This journey has not only given them a glimpse into different cultures, but also kindled a sense of adventure within them. It has forged bonds that are stronger than ever, with countless unforgettable memories that they will cherish forever. As they look back at their European sojourn, they realize that they didn't just visit places. They lived experiences that brought them closer together as a family.